Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make polymer clay mugs, or to be exact, how to decorate mugs and teacups with polymer clay. I'm going to be using mainly the Arteza polymer clay. Affiliate link below. You want to make sure your workspace is clean and dry to avoid getting dust on your clay. Next, I recommend making a rough sketch of the design you want to make. Take a sip of your imaginary tea and let's get to work. I placed a small face towel under my teacup to help keep it in place and prepared my colors. In decorating mugs you actually want to use, the key is to keep the design flat and round to prevent any pieces from breaking off. Now you don't need my voiceover for this part, so enjoy this little song. Don't worry, I'll be back.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start! Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name, I'm Alice. Of hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Of hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. And the horizon silver line.
Now that Alice is done, it's time to add some blush to her cheeks using pink eyeshadow. Perfect. If you're happy with your design, go ahead and bake it according to your clay's baking instructions. Careful taking the mug out of the oven, it can be very hot. Leave it to cool down and take some super glue and a blade tool if you have one, and gently remove the clay from your mug. Next, clean the surface of the mug using some rubbing alcohol or a nail polish remover. And start gluing your pieces back onto it. This is a good opportunity to fix any spacing issues. Then I'm going to take some nail polish remover and a few Q-tips to clean up my pieces from dust particles and fingerprints. I'm going to finish it off with some gel top coat or clear UV resin. This will make it strong and shiny. Now these cups are not dishwasher safe, so you want to wash them by hand. Alice's teacup is ready for a tea party. And here's a mug I made over a year ago, and it's still in a perfect condition. Let me know what you think about this idea in the comments below. So that is it for today's video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, as it really helps me out, and consider subscribing for more cute crafts. And I'll see you soon.
Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white rose.